Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing without followers, a website, or any skills. I know what you're thinking. How is that possible? Well, the truth is, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, even if you're a complete beginner. And there are actually a few different ways to do it without followers, a website, or any skills. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you promote other people's products and services in exchange for a commission on sales. So, for example, let's say you're an affiliate for Amazon. You can promote Amazon products on your social media pages, in your email newsletter, or even on your own blog. If someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission on that sale. The best part is, you don't need to have your own products or services to be an affiliate marketer. All you need is a willingness to promote other people's products and services. How to make money with affiliate marketing without followers, a website, or any skills. There are a few different ways to make money with affiliate marketing without followers, a website, or any skills. Here are a few ideas. 1. Use social media. Social media is a great way to promote affiliate products and services, even if you don't have a lot of followers. You can create posts about the products you're promoting, share affiliate links in your bio, and run social media ads. Just be sure to be transparent about the fact that you're an affiliate marketer, and only promote products and services that you actually believe in. 2. Use email marketing. Email marketing is another great way to promote affiliate products and services. You can build an email list of people who are interested in the products and services you're promoting, and then send them regular email newsletters with affiliate links. To build an email list, you can offer a freebie or discount in exchange for people's email addresses. Once you have a list, be sure to send regular emails with valuable content and affiliate links. 3. Use Quora. Quora is a question and answer website where people come to get answers to their questions. You can use Quora to promote affiliate products and services by answering questions about the products and services you're promoting. When you answer a question, be sure to include a link to the product or service in your answer. Just be sure to answer the question in a helpful and informative way, even if you don't include an affiliate link. 4. Use Reddit. Reddit is another great website for promoting affiliate products and services. There are subreddits for every topic imaginable, so you can find a subreddit that's relevant to the products and services you're promoting. Once you've found a relevant subreddit, you can start posting about the products and services you're promoting. Just be sure to follow the rules of the subreddit and only post high-quality content. 5. Use paid advertising. If you have a budget, you can use paid advertising to promote affiliate products and services. You can run ads on social media, search engines, and other websites. When running paid ads, be sure to target your ads to people who are interested in the products and services you're promoting. And be sure to track your results so that you can see what's working and what's not. So, there you have it. A few different ways to make money with affiliate marketing without followers, a website, or any skills. Just remember to be patient and persistent. It takes time to build an audience and start making sales. But if you're willing to put in the work, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online.